Hey guys, if you're playing Among Us, you already know the importance of using vents, especially if you're an imposter. In this video, I am going to show you some tips which will help you win as an imposter using vents. Remember, these tips are for beginners out there, so if you're playing for a long time, you may already know these tricks. And by the way, if you have some pro tips, don't forget to leave it down in the comments below. Before we get started, let's take a look at the admin map and all the possible pathways using vents. Using this map, one can easily detect an imposter. In this map, the oxygen room, the storage room, and the communication room does not have vents. So if you're planning to finish someone here, please keep in mind that these rooms does not have vents. There is only one vent in each room except for reactor room and navigation room. Both of these rooms have two vents instead of one. You can see that the cafeteria and the storage room have 3 doors instead of 1. So if you finish someone here, you are most likely to be seen by others. So it is better not to kill someone in these rooms. Another important tip when using a vent is that after you go inside a vent, wait in the same room for at least 5 or 6 seconds. After that, go to the next room and reappear from there. This will keep you safe from someone who's watching the admin map. Here is an example of somebody using vents. In this admin map, you can see one person in the weapons room. He uses the vents and goes from the weapons rooms to the navigation room in an instant. This means there is a 100% chance that he used the vents and he is an imposter. Just go over there and check if he is an imposter. Another tip when using the vent in the admin room and using the vent in the pathway, you have to check if the cameras are working. You can see a red light if the cameras are working. If the camera is not working, you are safe to go. You can come out of the vent. If you are an imposter, you have several other ways to win. By clicking on the sabotage button and by clicking on oxygen, the electrical or the reactor room, you can give your crewmates an emergency task. And if they fail to finish the job in the given time, you can automatically win. Your best way to win as a crewmate is by completing the tasks in the given time. And also keeping an eye out for the imposter will help you win faster. These are the tips I use when I'm playing. If you have some pro tips with you, don't forget to leave it down in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing. Hope to see you soon.